Hi guys, welcome back to IntrepidUK's demonstration of our one of our new product lines, the Flytouch Super-ePad X220 1 GHz processor Android 2.1 tablet. It's going to be the unboxing, and in the consecutive video we'll show you the actual working of the tablet. Now let's see what's inside the box this time. Okay. Well, this time around we're actually going to be given this neopolythene water resistant case. Slides in, and you can, without any hassle, you can put into your rucksack, your purse, anything like that. Protect the screen. It's really spongy, really shock protectant for the tablet. We're giving this for free. It's actually quite expensive, but it's our promotion. We've got a screen protector for the tablet, and here's the actual Flytouch. I'll show you around just in a minute. Put it down for a second. We have here a stylus, a highly sought after GPS antenna, gives a good signal for the built-in GPS to use with Google Maps and things. We've got a very good, surprisingly, headphones that comes with it, an AC DC adapter, charger, power. We also have a UK 3-pin adapter and a UK, English user manual, as you can see. Great. We'll just put this aside. We don't need this right now. This is what you're looking forward to. The actual tablet. It actually comes with a protective covering, wrapping, so it's good for transit. Bubble wrap. Let's take this down. Here we go. It comes with a nice screen cover here, really shiny. Let me just quickly for this demo show you. Shiny, very solid, strong glass, strong hard plastic screen and top part, unlike other tablets that are out there at the moment. It's very shiny, gloss finish back, and a very solid build. Very solid build, this tablet. Okay, now let's have a look around the tablet. There's a DC power socket there, and Ethernet socket. It's got HDMI out, so you can put it towards. You can put screens and put the videos towards your plasma screens and LCD screens, and it's HD out. Got trans flash card, 2 of them, up to that 32 gigabytes. 2 USB sockets as well, and a 3.5mm jack for your headphones. You got Wi-Fi turning on and off, so manual turning on and off. You've also got speakers, one there and one there, quite loud actually, very loud. And you got a home menu button. Plus and minus for volume can also be interchangeably used for different applications. You've got power button, a built-in mic. This is where the GPS actually attaches, and a little hole for your stylus. They're all quite flushed in as well, so really nice, quite flushed in. And we've got reset button there. Okay guys, the next video we will show you the actual workings of this tablet and how the software operates and how good it is. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.